Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a LG microwave. And if you're anything like me, sometimes you need to change the time on your microwave, and sometimes you forget how to do it. Well, if you have this type of microwave, actually to be specific, MSER2090 or 1590 versions of this microwave, I'll show you how to reset the clock today. So one common reason you need to deal with the time on a microwave is, let's say the power goes off and your microwave time is gone. In this case, with this type of version of LG microwaves, if the power goes off, you will see a 12H with a plus or minus kind of flashing on the screen here. This 12H, all that represents is it's saying that do you want to reset the time for the typical 12-hour AM, 12-hour PM, or do you want the 24-hour typical military time? So if you want to keep the 12-hour version, just keep it as is. If you want to do the 24-hour, then you want to go down to the timer clock button right here, and you could push that, and you will see you can toggle back and forth between the 24-hour version or the 12-hour version. We're just going to keep the 12-hour for now. And then after you make that selection, all you have to do is type in the time you want. So let's just do 12:33, and there you go. And then you want to hit the start button down here, and then it's set, and you're all done, and your time is set. But what if you just want to change the time? Let's say it's daylight savings time and you want to set the clock maybe an hour forward, hour back, etc. Well, how do you do that? Well, first you want to get back to that 12-hour or 24-hour function. And to do that, you just want to hit the timer clock button right down here for several seconds. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll hold it down. And sure enough, there's the 12-hour little code right there again. And to set it to either 12-hour or 24-hour, you could just toggle the timer clock button again. You can just toggle that back and forth. And then just select that and then hit the time again, whichever you want, and then hit start. And there you go, your clock is set. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.